Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to switch accounts on Evony. Switching accounts on Evony is simple, but you must make sure your current account is linked first to avoid losing progress. To switch accounts, tap the triple dot button in the bottom right corner of your screen and open the Settings menu. From there, select the Accounts tab located below the section Options. Inside the Accounts menu, you will see the Switch Account button in the bottom right. Before switching, make sure your current game progress is linked to a platform such as Google Play or Facebook by tapping Link Account and choosing your preferred option. Once your account is successfully linked, return and tap Switch Account, then select the Google or Facebook account you want to log into, and the game will automatically load and synchronize the saved progress tied to that account. If your progress is already linked, you can safely log into another device using the same account and your data will sync automatically. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.